Hello children, hello. Here is Miss Rose again from Parrots classroom, from your kindergarten, Materidouska. So how are you today? Are you happy? Yes? Good. I'm happy too. So thank you very much for your homework. Tereska has sent me a beautiful video from a park and she was doing lots of somersaults on the metal bars and also some kind of backflips or lots of wild stuff on the jungle gym and in the park. So very good, Tereska. I loved it. Thank you very much. I'm happy you stretched your body. And also Emička has sent me her old homework about planet Earth and continents and nationalities. So her planet was full of various kinds of people. So Emička, very good. Thank you for sending it. So children, when you will go to kindergarten, please bring all your homework. We will put it on the walls. Maybe we will put some of your homework with Guri and Gura here on those nets so we can be talking about it and sharing our experiences of how you did your homework. So definitely bring it with you, okay? So last time we talked about body, right? We talked about the human body and from what it is made, that we have skeleton inside, bones, we have muscles, those muscles help us move, yes? So that was a book about bones, what I read, and today we're gonna study also about human body, but not what is it made of, but how we can keep our body healthy, full of energy and joyful. Okay, so we are going to talk about some food. Okay, so about some of your favorite maybe things. So I have some cards here prepared. I have some cards. Is this vegetable or fruit? Do you know? It's a fruit. Very good. Usually you can think about if it's sweet, if it has the sweet taste, it might be fruit because fruits are usually sweet. Okay. And is this fruit or vegetable? Vegetable. Very good. It's not so sweet, right? You're perhaps not gonna eat yogurt and put inside of your yogurt some cauliflower pieces or broccoli pieces. You can also think if it's possible to have this kind of ice cream. If you can have, for example, pineapple ice cream, then perhaps it's a fruit, because usually the ice cream flavors are made of fruits, because the fruits, they taste yummy, they're sweet, but perhaps we don't have like a cauliflower ice cream or corn ice cream or green peas ice cream. So you can help yourself deciding if it's vegetable or fruit by thinking, is there that kind of ice cream flavor or not? Yeah. So is potato, for example, is potato a fruit or a vegetable? Vegetable, very good, because I have never heard about a potato ice cream. And what's this? Onion. And is onion vegetable or fruit? Vegetable, exactly. Have you ever heard about an onion ice cream? No, I have never heard about an onion ice cream. So we're gonna do a little bit vegetable cards, okay? So you can repeat after me. Garlic, leek, cucumber, green peas, corn, cauliflower, tomato, red pepper, carrots, onion, potatoes, radish. Very good. So those were all vegetables, okay? Because we don't have garlic ice cream or a leek ice cream or cucumber ice cream. Yeah, good. And now we're gonna have a look and do some fruits, okay? So, ready? Pineapple, grapes, orange, strawberry, pear, cherries, or if it's just one you say cherry, a plum or plums, banana, lemon, watermelon, and apple. Okay, so fruits can be very sweet, like chocolate. Chocolate is also very sweet, the mild chocolate. Or sometimes they can be very sour. So lemon is sour. When you taste it, it's very sour. Okay, so sweet, sour. And talking of chocolate, when the chocolate is dark, it's sometimes it's not that sweet, it's very bitter. Yeah, it's very bitter, not so sweet. Good. So those were vegetables and fruit. And now I will read you a story about Charlie and Lola. These are my favorite guys. I really like it's a BBC story about Charlie and Lola, their brother and sister. And I really like all their stories. That's my favorite. So I'm gonna read you a book about food. And the name of the book is I Will Never, Not Ever Eat a Tomato. So Lola says this, and Lola is a very picky eater. She's very fussy eater. She doesn't like to eat many things. No, I don't like this. I don't want to eat this. I don't want to try this. So it's really difficult with Lola. She is very fuzzy eater. So let's have a look. Better position. That, okay. So Charlie and Lola here. I have this little sister, Lola. She is small and very funny. Okay. Sometimes Mom and Dad ask me to give Lola her dinner. This is difficult because she is a very fussy eater. So now Lola and her brother Charlie, they are at home by themselves because Mama and Papa, they're busy. They went somewhere away. And Charlie needs to make some dinner for Lola. But it's extremely difficult because Lola doesn't want to eat this and doesn't want to eat that, and it's really difficult what to make for Lola. So Charlie says, Lola won't eat carrots. Carrots. Of course, she says, carrots are for rabbits. So Lola doesn't want to eat carrots because she thinks they are for rabbits, not for her. And so Charlie suggests, so Lola, how about peas? Children, do you think Lola will like to eat the peas? Let's have a look. Lola sits at the table waiting for her dinner. And she says, I don't eat potatoes. And I don't eat mushroom. Or spaghetti. Or eggs. Or sausages. Or carrots. Or peas. Or oranges. Or potatoes. And I absolutely will never, not ever eat a tomato. In British English they say tomato. My sister hates tomatoes or tomatoes. She doesn't like to eat cauliflower or bananas, cabbage or baked beans. She doesn't like to eat fish sticks, apples, rice or cheese. Look at that. She is a very fuzzy eater. Children, do you like bananas? How about cauliflower? Do you like to eat fish sticks? Yes. How about cheese? Do you like to eat cheese? And do you like rice? Do you like apples? Very good. Okay. So look at that. She doesn't want to eat anything. Lola looks at the table and she asks, why are those carrots there, Charlie? Look, she's got carrot for dinner. But she said she doesn't like it. She doesn't want to eat it so why is it there? She says, I don't ever eat carrots. No, 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 I don't like carrots. And Charlie says, these are not carrots. These are orange twiglets from Jupiter. They look just like carrots to me, says Lola. No, but how can they be carrots, I say. Carrots don't grow on Jupiter. That's true, says Lola. Well, I might just try one if they're all the way from Jupiter. So Charlie had to make a story that these carrots are actually not carrots. These are some special orange twiglets from another planet. From another planet. So where is planet Earth? Here, very good. And where is our sun? Here, very good. And where is Jupiter? I don't know, Jupiter is a very, very big planet. This is Saturn. Jupiter should be bigger than, maybe, is this Jupiter? No, Jupiter is a little bit more colorful. Not sure. I'm not sure which one is Jupiter. Maybe might be this, and the sun is not there. Not sure, but this looks like sun. Anyway, we know that this is planet Earth and this is Saturn. So now Lola is trying to eat with her friend Alien the orange twiglets. Very good, Lola. You are eating. That's good. Bravo, bravo. Then Lola sees some peas. I don't eat peas, says Lola. But Charlie says, these are not peas. Of course they're not. These are green drops from Greenland. They are made out of green and fall from the sky. But then Lola says, but I don't eat green things, says Lola. So look, plate full of green peas, but Charlie says that these are not green peas. These are green drops from Greenland. So this is the Greenland, and they are green drops that fall from the sky. So they have their balls and they are falling down like rain inside their balls. So when Lola heard Charlie's story, she said, oh goody, she said, I'll have your share. Green drops are so incredibly rare. And then she says, well, maybe I'll nibble just one or two. So she's nibbling, little bit trying one pea. Actually, to try is very important. Just because the food looks not so delicious doesn't mean it doesn't taste delicious. You should always try. And even if you don't like it, if you will eat 10 peas, I'm sure you will learn to like it. What means that you don't like something is because if you don't eat it often, then you kind of have no chance to learn its taste. But if you eat something very, very often, then you start to like it. That's how it works. So important is to try. And now Lola tried few peas and she said, it's quite tasty. So she can eat now carrots and peas. Look, what's this? Big potato. Next, Lola spies the potato and she says, I will not eat potatoes, so don't even try, not even mashed potatoes. Look at this. She doesn't want to eat it. No, no, no. Look at that. Where is Lola? Climbing a mountain. Oh, says Charlie, this isn't mashed potato. People often think that, but no. This is cloud fluff from the pointiest peak of Mount Fuji. So this is Mount Fuji. Do you know where is Mount Fuji? Which country? Which country is it in? Mount Fuji is in Japan. It's actually a volcano. Yes, so Miss Rose was on the top of Mount Fuji, just like Lola. So Lola is now on the top of the Mount Fuji and she says, oh, in that case, a large helping for me. I love to eat cloud. So Charlie is very creative. He says the mashed potatoes are actually not mashed potatoes. These are clouds. And so Lola now wants to try to eat some of those clouds. So now Lola is eating also mashed potatoes. She doesn't know these are mashed potatoes. She thinks she's eating a cloud. Charlie, says Lola, those look like fish sticks to me, and I would never eat a fish stick. And Charlie says, I know that, but these are not fish sticks. These are ocean nibbles from the supermarket under the sea. So they are not just fish sticks. Under the sea there is a supermarket that looks just like this. You see, they are in the ocean, deep down in the water. And who's shopping there? Mermaids. Look, Lola is a mermaid. Mermaids eat those fish sticks all the time. Oh, I've been to that supermarket with Mom, says Lola. I know the ones. I think I've had them before, Lola says, gobbling. Are there any more? So Lola thinks these are not fish sticks, but some kind of under the sea special food for mermaids. So now she nibbled a bit and tried. And she even asked if there's some more. She liked it and ate all of them. So now, what everything can Lola eat? Do you remember? What was the first thing she could eat? Carrots. And then peas, green peas. Very good. And then potatoes, mashed potatoes. And now she can finally eat fish sticks. Very good. So let's have a look. And then Lola says, Charlie, will you pass me one of those? And I say, what one of those? What's there? Look at that. What is it? Bowl full of tomatoes. Or Charlie will say tomatoes. And Lola wants to eat them. But she just said, I will never, not ever eat tomato. And now she wants Charlie to pass them to her. So, oops. It's broken a little bit, the book. This way. And Lola says, yes, of course. Moon squirters are my favorite. So now actually Lola came up with an idea what the tomatoes could be. And she says to Charlie, you didn't think they were tomatoes, did you, Charlie? So now she can eat the whole thing, the whole bowl full of tomatoes. And here we have what she can eat now, the list of the things. So this one, tomatoes are actually moon squirters. And this one, the mashed potatoes, are called the cloud fluff. Fluff is very soft. And these fish sticks are called ocean nibbles. And the carrots are called orange twiglets. And the green peas are called green drops. So when she made the story of what the food could be, then she liked to try and nibble and taste it, and then she discovered that she likes it. So that was our book about Charlie and Lola, and how fuzzy eater can turn into a very good eater if you just try, if you try it out, and if you have fantasy to create ideas what that food could mean or represent. So I hope, children, that you are not fuzzy eater, that you eat all the vegetables and all the fruits, and that you like to eat various kind of things, because it's good for your health. Your body needs energy to be strong and active. It needs to eat various kinds of food. If you will just eat everyday chocolate, then your body will not be so strong and full of power. Yes? And especially you will get really bad teeth. Okay, so we need to always balance. Eat healthily. So maybe Mama and Papa can tell you what food is healthy to eat and which food is not so healthy to eat. And you should listen also to Mama and Papa, because they know. Okay? Sometimes children say, I don't want to eat this, I want to eat that. But you don't know in which food are nutritions that your body needs. Yeah, so let's not try to choose what you want to eat just because if you like it or not. It's not important. Important is that the food is nutritious and that it's good for your body. Okay? So just believe your parents when they say something's good for you, and if you try it and then try again, then I promise to you, you will become liking it. A long time ago, Miss Rose lived in Japan and they have special beans. It's called natto. And I didn't like it. It smelled so bad, like some cheese can smell really bad. But I had to eat it because it was very good for my body. But I so didn't like it. I had to close my nose and eat it like this so I wouldn't smell it. And first 5 times when I was eating, it was really painful for me. I really disliked it very much. But because if you try it again and again and again, I started to love the food. And even now I go to Japanese shops and I buy their natto and I eat it every week at home. And I love it now. So things can change. If you don't like something, you can actually become loving it. Isn't that amazing? First time I was eating it like this. And now I can't wait. Oh, when I'm gonna eat natto, yeah. So actually the taste changes. And the more you eat something, the more the tongue and all these taste things in your mouth will learn to like it. So give the food a chance. Okay? Good? So that was message from Miss Rose. And now I want to little bit show you, because we were studying about the world and we were studying about the continents, America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, and we were also talking about countries like the United Kingdom, Italy, and Egypt, and Mexico. We were talking about India, yes, Japan. So now, because this lesson we're talking about food, let's review again some of the countries, the nationalities, and also the national food of that country. So you know where the food comes from, so you can more appreciate it. So this is the United Kingdom, and in the United Kingdom, the British people eat fish and chips. So fish and chips. I really love this food. It's really delicious. So fish and chips originally come from the United Kingdom, from England. Good. So next, what country is this? France. In France, the French people eat French bread. Have you ever seen French bread? It's very crispy. Very crispy. I really like French bread. It's delicious. Very good. So next, what country is this? Brazil. So in Brazil, the Brazilian people drink coffee. So usually the coffee beans from which the coffee is made, it comes from Brazil. They have very delicious coffee beans. So just so you know, coffee is not for you. Maybe Mama and Papa drinks it. So just so you know, it's from Brazil. So what country's flag is this? So what is it called? Italy. Very good. In Italy, the Italian people eat spaghetti and one more food. Pizza. Very good. So in Italy, Italian people eat spaghetti. That's right. Very good. So, do you know what country this is? This is Germany. And in Germany, German people eat sausages, just like that. Very good. Sausages. So original sausages are from Germany. And I remember the name of the dress. It's called Dirndl. Dirndl. Yes. Last time I didn't know. So in Germany, German people eat sausages. So next. So do you know what country this is? Japan. Very good. Japan. And how do we call the people that live there? And do you know already the traditional national food? Very good. So in Japan, Japanese people eat sushi. And we were making sushi also in the classroom. Do you remember how we were eating the sushi? Did we use fork and knife? How do they eat in Japan the sushi? They eat it with chopstick. Chopstick, 2 sticks made of wood. Chopstick, very good. So, sushi. Excellent. So, do you know what country this is? Mexico. In Mexico, the Mexican people eat tacos. This is called sombrero. Sombrero, do you know? And poncho. That's their Mexican national dress. And they eat tacos. It's very good. Also crispy. Tak. Araf, do you know what country this is? India. Very good. In India, the Indian people eat. What do they eat? Do you remember? They eat curry. Very good. They eat curry. And curry is very spicy. So we were talking about sweet. Chocolate is sweet. And sour. Lemon is sour. Then bitter chocolate, the dark one. And something can be also spicy, like hot. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Hot, hot, hot. So spicy, we say. Like chili peppers are inside. So curry is very spicy. I like curry very much. And do you know how we call this kind of bread? It's not traditional bread that you can buy in Czech Republic. But this is called naan, and it's also very good. You can put various kind of seasoning on top. You can have garlic naan, sesame naan, cheese naan. So that was India. And last country, we have Egypt. And in Egypt, the Egyptian people eat Egyptian green soup. And I'm sure that if you will see this green soup, would you like to eat it? I think many people will say, it doesn't look nice, I don't like it. You will, without trying, quickly say, you don't like it. But as Miss Rose suggested, we should try, you know. It's maybe made of spinach or some vegetables that are very good for you, for your body. So before saying I don't like something, you should try. And if you're trying some food and you already think I don't like it, it's perhaps not gonna taste very good. But if you're going to try and you will think maybe it's going to be delicious, then you kind of change your psychology, what you feel about it. And if you're positive, maybe it might be better, then perhaps I think there's a high possibility that you might like it, rather than trying it and saying, no, it's definitely not gonna be good. And then of course the result is just that it's not gonna be good. So try to be positive. It's gonna be yummy. It's perhaps very good for my body. It's perhaps very healthy and nutritious. Okay? And give the food some chance. Okay? The food will be very happy. It wants to make your body healthy. Good. So those were some national food. Okay. So now you know that spaghetti and pizzas are made in Italy, come from Italy. Very good. So that was our lesson for today. And this is our last video. And so your homework now is, because we were talking about food, to maybe help mama or papa, and you can cook something together. You can try to cook something together, and then you can send me a picture of the food which you helped to make. And also part of my homework is, if there's some food, vegetable or fruit that you don't like, for example, you really don't like bananas or something, then please, your homework is, give it a try, okay? Eat a little bit every day for 5 days. So 5 times little bit try, okay? And then tell me after 1 week if you become liking it or if you still don't like it. Sometimes children don't like green peppers, so you can try every day a bit of green pepper and see, and try to think in a good way when you eat it, and tell me if you become loving it after 1 week. I wish you will. Okay, so that's our video for today. I hope to see you soon, okay? So enjoy your day today. It's beautiful and sunny again. Don't forget to help mama and papa to cook. Make something yummy and try to eat some food that you don't like really, and try to give it a chance. That's all from me. Kisses. I love you. Have a nice time. I hope I'll see you soon again. Bye.